Take command of the road in the 2005 Infiniti FX35. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power trunk closing assist, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, high-intensity discharge headlights, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.